Let's quickly go over our ingredients for today's recipe. Back here we got our yams, we have some butter, water, brown sugar, we have some regular white sugar here, cinnamon, nutmeg, salt, and vanilla extract. Guys, all these ingredients can be found on my website, ijustcookalot.com. So go over there, the measurements are there, and the step-by-step recipe will be there also. So this is all you need, let's get into it. All right, so to get started, we're gonna make our sweet potatoes just a little bit different than some people make it, but just stay with me. We're gonna start by adding our sweet potatoes in our pot like this. We're gonna add our brown sugar, our butter, our water, cinnamon, nutmeg, our salt, and our vanilla extract. We're gonna get this baby mixed in here, and we're gonna bring this to a slight boil first. All right, guys, once that mixture comes to a boil like this, I'm gonna give it another stir like this. We're gonna reduce our heat and we're gonna let that baby simmer for 10 minutes. This is where the magic begins. So don't rush this part, because this is the part where all the flavors start to talk to each other, all right? All right, so we're 10 minutes in. We're going to turn our fire off and we're going to continue to cook them in our oven, all right? So let's head over to our cutting board. All right, so now that we're at our cutting board, I already greased our baking dish. We're going to gently add our sweet potatoes in here. Be careful because it's hot. Just like that. So now we're gonna place this in a preheated oven of 350 degrees, and we're gonna cook them for 45 minutes. And throughout that process, and every 10 minutes, just take your spoon and baste them again over the top, all right? So let's get them in the oven. All right, guys, this is what we have after about 45 minutes in the oven. That's those yams right there, that's those yams. If you know anything about them candy yams, you already know that these babies are the truth. Hit it with a little some of that sauce. Guys, this is it right here. Baste them up just a little bit. So let's go ahead and get them plated up and into quality control. All right, guys, all right, so you know it's quality control time. Man, let's bring these yams. Ooh-wee. I know y'all been waiting on Spinelli to make these yams, dog. Oh, man. That baby is so candy yummy. Oh, man. Oh, man. God. Oh, baby. I can't stop eating these baby. God, these babies are delicious. It's definitely a nice addition to this holiday season, man, at your dinner table. So go ahead, add this one, and until then, guys, y'all already know who I am. This is All Wings Everything, and remember, I'm not a chef. I'm just cook a lot, and I'm out. Peace. Them yams yamming.